My prince, it is over a month and some days that your mother died. If you people are not ashamed, I'm personally ashamed, especially on your father, the king. He was just there messing up the royalty here and there. The last time I was with him, I told him that even our old women that sells their opaka and ose are there discussing him and the royal house. But he was angry just because I told him the truth. My prince, what is the way forward?
Well, nothing much. It's just that I have hired some men that I placed as strategic points at my mother's family house because I do not trust my siblings. Those ones are willing to do unimaginable things just to fulfill their fantasy of burying my mother without my consent. I have also gone ahead to tell my father, the king, that my stance on this matter will not change.
Okay. In that case, I want you to do one thing. Just one thing. Something that will favor you and your father at the same time. Yeah? Go to the king and tell him that you have accepted to bury your mother outside the palace on one condition. There has to be a DNA test. Yes, to prove the paternity of those twins. Please insist on that. Yeah? Because your mother, I'm her direct kinsman. Therefore, she confided in me that she was ready to swear with anything to prove her innocence. I know you might not have heard about this, but your father was insistent. In fact, he did not even listen to her. He kept calling her names. Yeah? Insist on that DNA test. If it is negative, then you forget about the burial. Knowing that your father is not responsible for the kids. Yeah? But if it is positive, you know what to do. Yeah? Yes.
I never really thought about this. Except that one time my Ijoma, talked about it in passing, but I didn't take it seriously. But hearing you talk about it now in detail, okay.
That is very important.
I'll go ahead and do what you have said.
Yes, that is very important. But I want you to know that your mother is still legally married to him. Forget about his showing off eyeballs. It's all about trying to intimidate you. But now listen, when the time comes, we consult the tradition. If he has forgotten. But do this very one first for us to get the true position of the twins, because Queen Elizabeth that we all know was a good woman even in death. Yes.
Behavior of other people to destroy your inner peace. To where soft man. Never lose hope. Never lose faith. Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth. Oh my God.
Whenever you are with neighbor's children, you don't hear again. I've been calling you all this while. Sorry for yourself. Take. Will you like to drink palm wine? Come bring your cup. Oh, come and drink from here. Thank you. Hello, my queen.
Ichi Onyema, my personal person. How are you?
I'm fine. Everything is copacetic. How is everybody over there?
They are fine. So tell me, how far have you gone with the money I gave you? Have you given the family anything?
Your Majesty, as we speak now, Amaka the twin just left my house and I've given her some money to start getting ready. You see? And yesterday, I was with Ichiume. I gave him some 2 million to start preparing. Although Amaka told me that Prince Charles has engaged the services of some cult boys to be monitoring their house. Not to worry about that. Yes, I have informed the DPO. I've seen him and informed him about that.
Good one. Listen, do whatever you can to make sure everything is in place, okay? If you need more money, just let me know.
No, my queen. You can just go to sleep. You know how efficacious I used to be.
It's fine. Just let them know that the prince wants to impose that nonsense on the royal family. But we're against it, okay?
I'm on top of the matter. Yes, I'm on top of the matter. Pretty soon you will have some good news. My regards to everybody over there.
All right, bye.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, my queen. Hey.
Papa, 2 million.
So your ear does not hear about money. You just hear 2 million. You flopped your ear like a terrified antelope. 2 million that did what?
Papa, give me this one.
I finish this one first of all.
Yeah, I finished.
Why are you people disgracing me? Is it not the same blood that flows in your veins? Force your brother Charles to conduct a DNA test on you and Obinna to be sure of who your father is. And that will be the only condition to show him my body. After that, he can decide where to bury me. I just want him to be sure that you and Obinna are his blood and not a product of a drunk like the king made him to believe. Please, I don't want to stay any longer in that mortuary. All my mates have been buried since. Please, bury me.
Mama! 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 Sister, what is it? I saw Mama. She spoke to me. Mama! Sister, what are you talking about? You saw your dead mother. Where? Was it a dream? Sure, it can be a dream.
Mama, where are you? Oh, Mama.
She said we should go to Charles and discuss with them. That she's tired of staying in the mortuary. That she needs to rest. I've not been myself since then. Ruth saw how shocked I was. The question now is, what do we do?
Mama can appear on one's dream and express her displeasure. But the facts remain that I do not want Mama's body to be buried in that palace. Or did she also tell you that her body should be buried there? Did she?
Yes, there was no specification. She only told me that she needs to rest.
Who will head this meeting of seeing the prince? Because the only issue we have here is where to bury her. And that has not been resolved at the moment. Charles or not, she needs to be laid to rest. Hope we see this weekend.
The prince is not in town at the moment. I would have suggested we bury her. But those boys are still hanging around. All I know is that we will do my sister's wish. I will put my ears on the ground till he comes back. Then we can proceed from there. But the major advice I will give everybody is I want everybody to remain calm.
Peace will be better. Cause peace is liberty, tranquility. Do not let the behavior of other people to destroy your inner peace. To where so
Morning. Please, I'm looking for Obina and Amaka.
They are twins, but I don't know if I'm on the right path.
Sorry, who are you?
I am Amaka's friend. Yeah, so I want to see her. There's something I need to discuss with her.
Okay, they are my siblings. Let's go. But I'm not sure if Amaka is at home because she told me she was going to see someone before I left the house.
Okay, it's fine. We can go check if she's around.
Okay.
Then I'll also know the house.
Alright, let's go.
Thank you. My name is Ijomaike Maduako from Oron Village. I am the fiancé to Prince Charles.
Here! So the prince has a fiancé. He's not married yet. And all he does is go around the village harassing my father and his siblings. Well, I didn't know you're connected to him. If I'd known, I would have spoken to you in the first place.
Me, please. Calm down. Let everybody calm down. You don't even know why I am here.
Don't mind my daughter. If she talked to you that way, it is because the prince has caused a lot of problem, especially after the death of my sister, Elizabeth. So take it easy, eh?
It's fine. That's why I had to ask. Okay. The prince doesn't know I am here. I came here on my own so we can come together and unite the siblings and bury their mother in peace. Ne, Biko, calm down, oh? All these things, all those fights here and there will not help. So let's just try to make things work. Please.
I'm sorry, just that what the prince has done to my father and my siblings has made me hate him so much.
That's all wrong information from the king. So please, how do I see Obina and Amaka?
Yeah. Go to Ichie Uzoka's place. Tell them that somebody wants to see them immediately.
Yes, Papa.
Jekwasi so.
Oh, Papa.
Jekwasi so. Why not sit down? You're welcome. How is everything?
Are you sure it is not the same girl that Prince Charles was carrying that day about the day he insulted himself? Come, Ruth, describe her. Is she fair? Carrying ash?
Describe what? You are going to the house to see the person and you're still asking Ruth to describe her.
To know.
Do you know what you are? 70 years old man. That is what you are. Let's go.
I'm open one now. Let us go. Are you not the same girl with Prince Charles the other day he was fighting me?
Yes, I am. But he didn't fight you. Your brother is not a bad person. He just wants the best for his mother.
Don't say what will get me angry. What do you mean by he wants the best for his mother? Oh, we want the worst for our mother? Is that what you mean?
Please, let's listen to her. For her to find her way, it means a lot. Be calm, please.
She should talk properly.
Please. We are not here for argument. She told me why she came. The first one was that she wants peace. And the next one was that she wants anything that can unite the entire family. Which I want to. Okay, venture.
I have dated Charles from our university days till we graduated. I know every story. I know everything. I know you are Amaka and you are Obina. This is Uncle Ume, Ruth's father. And please, where is Jidelfo? So you see, I know everything. Please, all I want is for us to bury Mama. She has been in the morgue for too long. Biko, Umuwanem. Let us just try to settle this thing. You all are from the same Mama's womb.
Well, thank you so much. At least your words has calmed my mind down. But you see, my mother's body, our mother's body, will never enter that palace. It will never.
Obina, Biko, calm down. What if you are the king's son?
But we are not. We are not now. The king has said it himself that we are not his children.
And your mother said what?
Well, my mother swore with her life that the king is our father. But we don't care. We don't care. The king only saw us the first time the day we went to ask him to warn Prince Charles. So let us be. So tell me, and he also warned us that day that we should never step our foot in the palace again. So, how are we to call such a man our father?
So between the king and your mother, who shall you believe?
Of course it's our mother. Are you seriously asking us that question? It's our mother 100%.
That's it. Then we need to prove it to the king that your mother is right. Come on, Umuwanem. Please, let us try to settle this issue. Are you all not tired? Adan Biko, listen to me. I'll soon be your wife. And all I want is peace. Biko, Umuwanem, Biko. Obina. Please. Uncle.
Yeah.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
So I'll come back again when the prince returns from his trip.
Okay. Please, I have some palm wine inside. Would you like to take some?
No. Okay. When I come back again, I'll take palm wine.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Adanne, Biko, I don't like this face. Please smile. Obi, you're too stubborn, no? Biko, calm down. So, please, can you now see me off? All right.
Okay. Yeah. Greet all of them, oh.
Okay.
Yes.
Peace will be better. Cause peace is liberty, tranquility. Do not let the behavior of other people to destroy your healing.
Hi, Ijima.
Hi, princess.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where have you been?
I've been around.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I thought you traveled with my elder brother.
No, isn't he back?
No, he's not. He even called me a few minutes ago. He was supposed to be back today, but he missed his flight.
And he couldn't call to inform me. Anyway, it's all good.
Excuse
Excuse me. Ah, he's calling. Oh.
Take it.
Hello, baby. I'm fine. All right. Yeah, I'm already in the palace. Yes, my love. Okay, bye. So, is the queen around?
Yes, she's in her room.
Okay, because I would love to talk to her about something.
In that case, do I call her here for you?
No. I would prefer to talk to her in her bedroom because what I want to discuss is private.
Let me inform her first. You know how she behaves.
Yes, thank you.
I'm coming. Make yourself comfortable, okay?
Sure, I will.
Bye. She's in her bedroom. And said she will join you here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, what about the king? Where is he?
He's not in at the moment.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You're glowing, no?
Glowing where? Come
Yes,
on.
you are.
My queen, all I seek for is peace. I love you and I've taken love with as my sister. We can come together and unite this family and everyone will enjoy it. The prince will soon marry me. I'll be a queen under you. If we don't make things right, it will be a problem.
My dear, everything you just said is very much on point. But the problem here is Charles. He hates me so much. Simply because when I was newly married into this family, I tried to correct him. And instead of him to take the corrections, he started seeing me as a very wicked person. And since then, my issues sting him like a bee. So you see, it's going to be difficult.
No, my queen. It's not going to be difficult. I'll make it possible. The king must live long. All these issues here and there will bring worries to him. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes, I know. But if I may ask, how do we achieve this? Charles wants to bury his mother in the palace cemetery. And it's not possible.
It is possible. Only if you agree. You can talk to the king. If we all come together and agree, the king will have no option. A politician of repute believes in a new Nigeria. And a new agenda of peace is possible in this palace.
You mean you have this kind of heart?
My father always preached of peace and harmony. He left his house when he was younger to his younger brothers. Just because of this singular act, his family would have been the worst today. But look at them. They all come together and eat in one plate. We can do this here, my queen. Please, my queen.
No.
I beg of you.
Get up. Come on, get up. You know what? I think I like you. Thank you.
Thank you too, my queen.
Peace will be better. Cause peace is liberty, tranquility.
I discussed something with my son, but I would like to think about it
Your Majesty, please, please. There is absolutely nothing to think about. Nothing to think about here. Your Majesty, I came here to plead with you. In fact, to beg you, to appeal to you, Your Majesty, to allow him bury his mother in the palace cemetery. Is it too much to ask?
Why?
You see, Prince Charles came to me and told me in confidence that his mother appeared to him in a dream, crying profusely. Crying! Igbe, you should know what that means.
Well, he didn't tell me that. Besides, I've sent for a consultant from Enugu. When he comes, Charles will send for the twins. Let's end all this with a DNA test.
Okay. Your Majesty, please. I'm happy with this. I thank you for listening to me. Igwe, please, let us end this on a very pleasant note, please. There is no need dragging this matter unnecessarily. It doesn't make sense. Let us have peace in this kingdom. Igwe, your reign shall be long and fruitful. Igwe. Yagazi.
So I can do. Ruth, did you recognize those two guys?
Yes, I do.
They are the guys Charles stationed around the house to monitor us.
How do you know that part of the boys? I know 6 of the cultists, and Bullet is not one of them.
Bullet?
Yes.
Is that his name?
Yes.
How can a normal human being be bearing such a name, Bullet? Listen, those guys are hit guys. And be careful about who you greet.
What of his friend Django?
You know all their names. Ruth, are you okay? Listen to me. Those guys have sold their soul to the devil. If not for one of them that came to inform me, who would have believed that Charles would stoop so low in checkmating us?
Sister, you know how much I hate that guy. Yes, he's our cousin, but I don't like his attitude. Especially the way he talks to Papa, you and Obin now. He feels we don't have anything. Yet his father came into our family and got a wife. Anyways, since his fiancée came the other day, I've been melting.
Melter. Please, let's go.
Makedo. Yes, Papa. Come here. Take this fan. Hold it very well. This yam. Go and kill the fowl. Then you use it with the yam and do porridge for me. That's chicken porridge. And make it slightly pepperish. And I know you will like it too. Nobody's here to suffer. Nobody, after all, nobody actually boasts with suffering.
Papa, the queen was here a while ago. She said you should return her money. In fact, that you should come to the palace immediately you return. It's urgent.
Which money was she talking about?
I don't know, Papa. Are you holding her money?
Go on. Don't mind that blabbing thing. Go and do the thing I told you. Do it quick. I'm famished. What is wrong with this woman? She says she doesn't want the remains of her predecessor, Queen Elizabeth, to be buried in the palace. And she paid me for the service. Am I not doing my best to achieve her wish? Look, she should relax, She should relax. Otherwise, not only will the king hear about it and the entire kingdom. The Pope must also hear this. Nonsense.
Hey. And what exactly is going on in my room? So the both of you decided to sashay in here without knocking, huh? What if I was getting a deep tissue naked massage in here? I'm just saying.
From who? Isn't that person scared?
No, from a professional masseuse, like a deep tissue
She will
naked.
be put in the palace cell
For what?
with hunger
Why?
until her hairs fall out.
What hairs are you talking about? It's just someone that I got. Sweetheart, you gotta go somebody to, like twisted veins in those delicate regions.
Not try it. Isn't the person scared?
Why? Scared of what? That person is a professional female Chinese masseuse.
Let me answer him correctly.
Thank you.
There are hairs that goes with every asawa, like IJ here.
What are you two talking about?
That particular one at Ericha.
Okay, both of you need sanitation. No. You are worse than I thought, actually. You are worse than I thought. So, Loveth.
Yes.
Your mother came into my room and took my mother's portrait and set it ablaze. Now, that's what happened. I told you that I was going to get to the ends of the earth to find out what happened.
Oh, she did?
Yes, she did, and I'm not going to take it lightly.
I already told you I was going to replace it. As a matter of fact, I spoke with the queen and we discussed a lot. Peace will definitely return here. I can't be part of this place if things don't go back to normal. She's going to apologize to you. Trust me.
Brother, please forgive my mother. If you look carefully, I do not support all the hatreds and bitterness here. And as Ijoma said, I've never for once enjoyed being a princess in this palace. Brother Biko, the only brother I have is not at peace with my mother. Biko, don't raise this issue one name. Oh, I beg you. Please. Biko, forgive her. I know she's stepping out of her boundaries. Please. I'm sorry.
This will be better. Cause peace is liberty, tranquility. Do not let the behavior.
I want to know what is still delaying the burial. Last time your sister was here, I told her that you people should go ahead in your plans for the burial of Queen Elizabeth and then give me feedback from time to time. Although she complained about some cultist fools who were stationed by Prince Charles, your brother, to monitor your movements and activities, I promised her that I will see the DPO to that effect, which I did. But since then, I have not gotten any feedback. What is going on?
Well, Ono, thank you so much for all your concerns and efforts so far. I appreciate you. Though we haven't seen any police yet. It's not like I am afraid though, myself. But what about the innocent people that might be affected? We're only afraid of losing the innocent ones. Well, let us wait until the coast is clear.
Are you saying that those cultists are still parading your vicinity or what?
Yes or no?
Though I heard the prince traveled, so I'm waiting for him to return. So I will face him squarely on that. I'm waiting for him. If he wants us to die, I am ready for him. Because I am ready to give it to him at any length. Oh no, if it is for my mother's burial to hold in that palace, that is a fat lie, because it will never happen. It can never happen.
Well, you see, I am one of the palace chiefs who supported this your decision. And I still stand on that till tomorrow. Stick to that your plan. And don't allow anybody to cajole you into changing your mind on that. Do you hear what I say?
Yes or no? Thank you so much. Ono we are the Ogonogondo. You shall live long. Thank you so much, Ono.
And one more thing. I promised you people some money for the burial. What if you collect it now? Because I know it's going to help you in the burial planning.
Not now, no. I do not want to touch any money until the burial date. I shall inform you about the date soonest. Thank you once again. I beg to take my leave now, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. What am I going to tell the queen? Huh? At least had it been that this boy collected this money, by the time I will be swearing, convincing the queen that I have been working, spending this money, I will know where I'm standing. Huh? Hi. A man who knows how to spend money does not stay with money without making use of it. Now this money is going down by the day. Well, it is not over until it is over. I will continue in my effort to make sure that Queen Elizabeth is not buried in that palace, whether you collect the money or not.
Oh no.
My prince.
Oh no.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You called, I said that I should be here as soon as possible.
All is well, and you did well in coming promptly. Who is the young, beautiful woman by your side?
Hi. Oh no, I thought you met her already. Neni Jomana.
No.
My wife to be.
I have not met her before. Is she from this kingdom?
Sweetheart, this is the Ono of our kingdom. Greet him well and tell him who you are.
Greetings, sir. My name is Ijomaike Maduako from Urom village, the daughter of the former local government chairman.
From the legendary Kemaduako family, right?
Yes, sir.
Good family. Good family, my friend.
You see that I have eyes.
You have eyes for good things. You don't blow your trumpet. Allow me to say that one. I support this one.
Dalo.
I support it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Having said that, my prince, I have invited you so we can discuss the extent to which you have gone in handling the issue at hand.
What issue, no?
You know what I mean. You are no longer a kid.
Are you referring to the issue that concerns the burial of my mother?
Exactly.
Oh no,
Yeah.
You see, I have decided to rest on that matter for now. I am plotting something, and until we set the ball rolling as a family, I have chosen not to talk about it anymore.
You mean your plotting involve an aspect where I, the Onowu, the traditional prime minister of the kingdom, should not be in the know?
Oh no, you would agree with me that the burial of my mother is also a private family matter. Okay, Wata? You are going to know what we are doing once you see the outcome.
I understand very well. Nobody will argue that it's not your mother, your private and consanguineous mother, but she is still our queen. Why shouldn't I know?
But oh no, we don't forget that she was first my mother before she became our queen. Oh no. Oh no, Wubiko. Let me take this beautiful woman somewhere. You gotta go. You remember when you were my age? You gotta go. Let us live life a little. But you know me. I am going to be in touch.
You have every right to go and do whatever with your woman. It's all right. It's all right. I've heard you.
I've
heard you.
No love for my own.
I will.
Sweetheart.
Except for the fact that you have put me in a cliffhanger.
You'll be all right, to know. This place is really quiet. Iche, okay. You know, did you not see me? Did you not see me?
If I see, what will happen? Malacholoma. Will I encourage when I see you? Please, I don't want to wahala out. As you can see, I'm on my way going out. Before you start with this or slapping.
Jide. No, Jide. Take it easy. I'm your cousin. Jide, I'm serious. I am your cousin. We are related. We are connected.
Me?
Yes.
Jide, Jide, your cousin.
Jide, I am your cousin. I have not.
Jesus Igwe. Me, your cousin. Ha, I don't understand.
Jide, I know that I have not been very good to you. I know that I have been a bit tough and hostile. Maybe I was just blinded by my strong desire, to give my mother, your aunt, a befitting burial. And I just got carried away and hurt the people that are close to me. Because one name, Baaluzia. Forgive me. Biko.
So you could be this soft? So you could talk like this, yet you come here to humiliate and insult your mother's only brother. My father suffered for your mother when she left the palace. Yes, he suffered. He was the one catering for her. Every time you came back from abroad and took her to the hospital, but we were the one that was there for her. We suffered. We're not mad. It's not
good. It's okay. It's not good. I am ashamed of my actions. I agree that I overreacted. But Bikono, if you don't forgive me as my family, who will forgive me? It is time for peace, Jidofo. It's not time for war. Bikoba Alusia. Please open up your heart and accept me as your brother. Biko. So that I can make up for lost times. And one name Bikono. I'm sorry I hurt your feelings the way I did. I'm sorry. In all honesty, I'm not a bad person. It's just that sometimes when you want something and you really want it, you go overboard. And with you and Obinna and Amaka and our uncle, I went overboard. And I'm sorry.
Oh, Jide, please. He's sorry. We are sorry. So calm down, okay? Biko.
I know it's been tough on all of us, Biko. Please forgive. Enugo. Butu. No one nekaibu. Butu. Biko.
What do you go?
It is well. Where are your brothers? Okay, Obinna.
Okay, I think they went to the mortuary.
Mortuary? Yeah. Do you know where this mortuary is?
This is somewhere down. I don't know. I haven't been there.
But why?
I have phobia for dead bodies, so let's see how Jebel later.
It is fine. Please let them know that I came here.
Okay, today. So I will.
Let Obinna and Amaka know that Igwe, the king, wants to see them tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Okay. It is very important. It is fine.
Thank you.
Right. It is well.
I'm happy.
I'm also happy. Osita Adelemma.
Yes, sir.
Adebabo.
Yes, sir.
You gotta go.
Okay, I'm going to see a friend.
Let's drop you.
Do you mind? You guys go drive out. So let me lock the gate. Let me. I was so surprised though. I was so surprised because he was so cool, so calm. He even called me his cousin. Yes, so he even hugged me. I began to remember what we passed through because of the late icon. Because of a queen with a heart of gold. Wanyo bioma. Nya ojini emogo. Ozmakego. I cried though. I cried. Because I began to remember the good old days. The days we don't go to school. The days we all gather together to pray.
How many hospitals did we take her to? All to no avail. The doctors tried. I didn't know their blood pressure and sugar level that doesn't go down. And we lost her. If he came here with a change of heart, that's good. But it does not change the fact that I hate the prince. Cousin or not, I don't care.
Listen, all of you should listen. You see that girl he brought to this compound? That girl is God sent. I am 100% sure that that girl is the reason for all the changes within the problems we have been having. I'm telling you. Just like Judo, for you said now that the priest said the twins should come to the palace to see him. So let us just wait and see the outcome of the whole thing. This is a step forward. Thank you very much.
Uncle, if it is about my mother's burial in that palace, then he must be joking. Nya, oburu no maka akwamozu nne m. Obi ejide ofo, oma, omenka ozo. Then he must be joking. He must be joking because my mother's body will never enter there. Never.
My own is you should come and remove those vagabonds he mounted around this house. What's that guy's name again?
Bullets.
Bullets. You should just ask them to leave.
This will be better.
It is what you should have conducted years ago. And now this woman is late. And she died with her grave. I think I advise you on that.
Then my son was young. And I was raging with anger. Doctor, what does it cost to have a DNA test?
Well, Your Highness, the analysis is done mainly by using blood sample via polymerase chain reaction. We call it PCR method. Although we could still use other samples like hair, putum, or other body fluids. But in this case, we properly need blood sample.
The reason I called you, because I know you are the only one that will give me what I want. Tell me the exact truth. You are aware of what transpired between me and my wife. The moment she left the palace, stories started flying around that she was having some escapades with one engineering site worker who was a drunk.
Your Highness, we have enemies everywhere. They are everywhere. Anyone can say anything. This is a woman who was once married to a king. There's no way she should have stooped too low in having a drunk as a friend. Probably this engineer or a worker must have been a friend or something. Remember, she had these children 10 months after she left this palace. Let's see how it goes.
I wonder what is holding these children. Because I want to end all this and have peace of mind.
Your Highness, let me ask you something. If after this test, it is proved that these children are yours, what will you do?
Then when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
We'll cross it? It's okay. It's okay by me. Let's go. Let's do it.
Why are you here?
We are here on King's invitation. The King wants to see us and we are here strictly on his invitation.
Are you sure? Because I'm not aware of that. I have no prior knowledge to that.
Huh?
Yes.
You mean the king tells you everybody that comes to the palace?
Of course he does, especially when he has to do with appointments. I should be aware.
Well, maybe he skipped his mind, but we are here to see the king and the prince. Strictly on their invitation.
Yes. Wait, though. You're not just going in there. Have I permitted you to walk in? Now listen. If this is on prank, I'm giving a prior warning because if you go in there and you are not here on appointment, you will not like me.
He invited us to come.
Dr. Richard, the Queen's twins. Honestly, this is the second time I'm setting my eyes on them since they were born.
Yeah. We are going to conduct a test to find out who amongst your mother and the king who is right. And this test will confirm if you are the children of the king or not. Shall we?
Doctor, please just wait. Your Majesty, what test is he talking about? We were told that the prince came to the house and asked us to come to the palace, but not for a test.
I asked him to invite you. Dr. Richard is from Enugu. So, he's here to conduct the test and give us the outcome.
Your Majesty, the most important thing to us right now is for us to bury our mother. It's over 3 months her body was dumped in the mortuary. The entire community knows us as the children of the drunk, even though we don't know the drunk. But we are fine like that. We are fine like that. Now, Your Majesty, tell me, what difference will this test make? Will it change anything? Yes, surely it will make a difference. We are going to conduct this test because every other families are still doing it. And it is good to do it so you know where you belong. The king said he is not your father. And your late mother said he is. You can see the confusion there. So it is good we conduct this test so you know where you belong. Even if you don't have anything to do with the palace, you can still bury your mother from anywhere you were staying.
Your Majesty, please can I talk to my brother outside?
Oh, no, you can.
It's not right.
Good Lawrence.
It's not right.
Ubina, don't you think this is their plan to kill us?
Amaka, you are right. This flashed my mind. I can see a plan from Prince Charles' face. He wants to kill us and bring Mama's body here.
Hey, so what are we going to do now?
We have to go and stay on our own. Since Mama gave birth to us till now, the king never asked of us. Now he's demanding to conduct a DNA test. I think it is best we go.
But we can't just leave like that. It will be disrespectful. Ubina, listen. I think it's better we go in there and ask them so many questions. Yes, let us be sure of what they want to do to us. Come to think about it, if really they want to find out if that so-called drunk is our father or the king is our father, it's to our own betterment, right? But let's be sure of what they want to do to us first.
Amaka, you are right. But for now, let us go. Let us go, Abeg.
Are you okay? The king summoned you, you cannot just leave. Let's go inside.
It's okay, it's okay. If you insist, no problem. Come, let's go.
And I think that we should celebrate as one big family and stop fighting.
Celebration, you said. Charles, did I hear you say celebration? What are we celebrating? Are we to celebrate the fact that Mama was humiliated and thrown out of the palace